nice. Gun Day, Fun Day, Sunday. Or it could be Sunday, Gun Day, Fun Day. That's a damn blooper. Let me start again. This is Major Havoc. Welcome to the range. We are doing a Sunday, Gun Day, Fun Day. And in front of you here is 29 super fine firearms. I'm going to attempt a feat never done by man before. I've got 29 magazines loaded with 10 each. I'm going to shoot all of these 10 shots on target in 2 minutes. That's crap, ain't gonna happen. So, first of all, what I want to do is invite all the shooters that are my guests today for Sunday, Gun Day, Fun Day. We have Chuck, the Tactical Chef. How's the channel? Tactical Chef. Wave to the camera, Chuck. Hey, guys. All right, get out of here. All right, so, and we have Cowboy Chris and Nate from Armed and Armored, and Desi and Jawan. Come on down. Everybody has brought their nice arsenal, and we're just doing some, we've probably shot 4,000 rounds already. We have Brian, come on down, Brian. He's our retired law enforcement officer, sharpshooter extraordinaire. And Adam here. Adam has some of the finest guns on the table. Wave to the camera, Adam. All right, Eric, come on down. Eric disappeared back in March. He was having a custom gun built, but it ain't finished. Come on down. All right. Who else did I miss anybody? All right, we're going to show some footage of all of these guns shooting. I don't have time, energy, or ammo left. We are almost out.
Welcome back to the channel, Armed and Armored. Again, I am Cowboy Chris,
Nate,
aka Ashy Eve. We are out here with 29 different 2011s. We've been invited by some very awesome and amazing people out here to shoot. Major Havoc. We've got the, let me get this right, Tactical Chef. Make sure you guys view their channels, give them a like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Even if this video isn't for you, go to the restroom, leave it running. Help out that algorithm. Listen, this was an absolute fun day where we were able to get through a lot of different guns, have a blast. Again, at no point are we trying to sell, advertise, or promote anything. We're just out here giving you our honest opinion and having fun. What you think today?
Enjoyed myself. We went through quite a few rounds on this Sunday, Fun Day, Gun Day. Appreciate Major Havoc inviting us out here today to his range, and I just really enjoyed myself. I appreciate everybody that bought guns for us to shoot, because unfortunately, these ain't all of mine. But I really enjoyed the day. It's a beautiful day. And I'd just like to say thank you to everybody that bought something. We put quite a few rounds down range today.
Yeah, we did. Remember, stay safe, be blessed.
And nobody left with any extra holes today.
We're out.
And the range is hot.
PS9 Steel Challenge, bringing it out for a little run today.
Out of the whip.
Hey, I believe he did.
Yeah.
With the Havoc port system. And then this is 147. Yeah, it'll be fine. Research. Make some noise. We have the Skips ported. This is an Atlas. Which one?
The Hyperion.
This is Atlas Hyperion. Red dot ready and Chuck ported.
What barrel did you put in it?
For the barrel and
Inside, yeah. They sell it at our local gun shop in Winston.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I
What
just put it
barrel?
on
What was it again?
So it's a Dara Island Barrel 9. And you can buy it from their website too for $2.99.
It's nice.
Fit
Yeah.
any Glock console?
So it's supposed to be a Gen 4, but if you change the base plate,
Then
then it'll work.
Okay.
Yeah.
I put an upper on my also. Trigger on it too? No, I had a trigger. I had a tune trigger. It wasn't as good as yours. I can't shoot that till we're done at the end of the day.
Chris, Echelon, ported and comp with the Icarus lower.
Whose is that?
Make sure it went all the way in.
Oh, Chuck, that's right. Chris with the Icarus, Echelon, comped and ported.
That's what yours could be.
Yeah. Is there a price tag on this where it can leave with me 2 days?
Yep. 5,000.
No, where it go?
We'll just make a fair trade for your Atlas.
We gladly trade for 2011s.
Not a problem.
Live. All right, now we're going to 140 S&B subsonic. Watch that muzzle rise, or lack thereof.
Yeah, she's a lot flatter, softer.
See that concrete wall?
It was like this.
Here's your 115. 140. It's just vibrant.
Is the V6 ported? Apollo staccato grip, staccato trigger.
That's yours.
That's it.
Oh, Jawan with the Apollo 11. Ported, staccato grip swap, and a mag drop. All on the same tape.
Oh, same thing.
There we go. No bloopers today. We have Chris shooting my Viking ported compensated island barrel for his first time. Let's make it happen.
I'm excited.
I can see.
I want 2 of these. That is crazy.
Now, I can tell you were shooting your 115s, weren't you?
Yes.
Yeah.
I can go to the 150s.
Okay, load you up another mag of 150s. Look smooth. How'd it feel?
Very smooth. Very flat.
Softer?
I changed it from a 9 to a 10.
Let me get some love. Let me get some love.
All right, Nate has the Viking ported island barrel and comped.
Take two.
There's a story behind this. This is a SIG P211. It's the GTO. It's a 2011 kinda that runs what are these P320 mags. A couple weeks ago we were filming, and you'll see my good friend Chuck. The optic flew off and hit him right there in the glasses, a little ricochet. And then so by the time it was my turn to shoot it, I had to shoot it with irons. So this was Adams for about 1 day, and Chuck was so attached because the optic hit him, he had to buy the gun from Adam. So now I'm going to shoot it now with an optic. This is the O sight, this is the X. Shoots way left, but that's okay. Let's try one more mag. The rumors that these have crappy triggers are just rumors. This is decent. Yes, it's a Series 80. It's somewhere in that 3-pound range, and it's really nice. I'm getting one.
Maybe that's what, but without the. You see this? You see how?
With the AB prototype, the Havoc port system. We're gonna shoot some 115 grain first. Let's see what she do. Now we're gonna shoot 140 SMBs through the AB prototype Havoc port system. No comparison. 140 for the win all day. That's crazy.
Now you see what? You don't have to.
I was pushing.
Yeah, you're pushing. Just lock out and ride.
Because it caught me off guard. It was so.
It's
It,
so
yeah,
it
it
did
did
recoil.
so much. It caught me off guard.
Exactly. That's the key. Is if it doesn't recoil, then you're doing like this.
Yeah, it just. It was such a difference. Yeah, that
It's dramatic.
some odd reason.
Chuck here at the Atlas Hyperion contest.
Did you check the zero on your gun? I did. Is it good? It should be. Unless it moved on. When Chuck's done, see that left-hand circle? Do not shoot the left circle.
Okay. Which one's this?
Do not shoot the left circle.
Atlas Apollo. I like them both. That's a really hard one to tell. I think this one's a little bit softer.
Okay, so I'm not being biased.
They both run the same.
Check the cut you out, Chris.
I think the Hyperion's softer.
It's a little bit softer, yep. I thought that too, but he's gonna say it's gonna be different.
That's my tripod. You can move it.
All right, can
Chuck,
we see all the
where
guns?
you hiding that at? I ain't shoot that.
Okay, Adam. I'm going to have you, Brian, come here and help.
Yeah, this is the Atlas Hyperion. It's
Ported by Skip's Guns.
what?
Trump ported by Skip's Guns.
Yeah, Atlas Hyperion, and this one is chunk ported by Skip Guns. Just gonna go ahead and put some rounds through it. Compare it to the Atlas Apollo. See how she does. We're gonna go straight.
With the Apollo ports, and then we're going to switch to the Skips chunk ported Hyperion. We need ammo. Watch this wall. It's smooth. All right, so watch the muzzle on this seam here and see what you see there. Now let's switch guns.
Oh, she hot.
Live. Now this is a chunk ported Atlas Hyperion. Same scenario. Man, the advantage of this one is with for arthritis, it has a thumb rest. If I had to buy one today, it'd be the Apollo. Because it doesn't have the thumb rest. But if it was if I had to give them a score of 1 through 10, it'd be a 8.5 and a 9. So they're very, very close. Whatever your favorite gun is, for me, is what's in my hand. Today, this one now, a minute ago it was the other one. So I give it through.
That was, yeah. It's all,
Derek.
Shooting Adams Bull Tac Pro, I believe. V10.
Okay. Yeah, that's cool.
Shot the GTO.
Man, Eric came to play. All right, good deal.
All right, Chuck, what are you shooting?
Shooting Charles's MPA. I'm not sure what the actual
Yeah, the
specification.
DS9 Steel Challenge.
DS9 Steel Challenge. That's damn nice.
Yeah, it's probably got the fastest cycle ratio. Hey man, what's going on, brother? Did you get your membership?
What's this, the V8?
It's actually V10.
Okay, I can't count.
What do you think of that compared to like the Race City?
I would do three 125,000 ports.
I'm gonna do Race City because I just like that grip a lot more.
What are you gonna send it to?
Maybe slightly smoother, but
Okay.
Race City because of the grip for the win.
Same.
We got the preview here. First shots at it. Probably won't make me shoot like them, but
You shot Island Barrel.
oh yeah.
Okay, folks, we're going to do a test. Atlas Apollo factory with the Apollo ports, and then we're going to switch to the Skips chunk ported Hyperion. We need ammo. Watch this wall. It's smooth. All right, so watch the muzzle on the seam here and see what you see there. Now let's switch guns.
Ooh, she hot.
Live. Now this is a chunk ported Atlas Hyperion. Same scenario. Got Nate with the ported Island Barrel Prodigy, brand new, doing some break-in rounds. Make noise. All right, we changed ammo with Cowboy Chris, ported Island Barrel Prodigy, and you're hot. Ammo makes a difference. Adam with the Prodigy ported Island Barrel 150 S&B. I saw the weak ejection, yep. There you go. Lock that right elbow. Yeah, she's breaking in, she's breaking in. Now we have Brian with the Prodigy, ported Island Barrel. Some more break-in rounds. Grip it and rip it. We got Cowboy Chris with the ported Vanta 9 by United Research. Yeah, there's no slide lock because of the gas pedal. We have Nate here with the Skips gun, chunk ported Atlas Hyperion. He's going to run the first 10 shots with a 115 grain ammo. Then he's going to switch to 140 S&B subsonic. See if the camera can see a difference. Go ahead.
115.
Now we're going to the 140 subsonic.
140 sub.
Shooter impression.
140 is a lot lighter.
Softer.
Yes, softer.
It looks softer on the camera. I got the block wall behind you. I'm watching the muzzle rise. 140 for the win.
Trying the Prodigy.
Island Barrel ported. Stovepipe.
Walk out tight. You notice? Now we have Brian with the Prodigy, ported Island Barrel. Some more break-in rounds. Grip it and rip it.
Shooting straight, that's the way, with Major Havoc every day. Guns and gear, we review it all. For the Second Amendment, we stand tall. Join the crew.